Okay, I can't emphasize how treacherous it is outside. Fortunately, most people are heeding the warnings to stay off the roads and shelter in place. But I just drove my domestic partner, My Valerie, to the Rockville Metro Station. The side roads like this, like Monroe Street here, are treacherous. My 2006 Corolla, a gift from my son Joseph, it's got balding tires. These balding tires can barely grip. Watch, I'm going to try to brake. I'll show you the dangerous skidding. See that? Look, I drifted like 3 feet before I could finally stop the vehicle. So I'm going to try to make this little hill without slipping. Wish me luck. Look at this devastation. People are being careful, fortunately. I probably should be driving with my blinkers on. All right, so far the traction is holding. Holding. Oh gosh. Still holding. Okay, and I'm going to try to stop. Oh my God, I'm skidding. Andrew Pascatino, citizen report for NBC4, my local awesome NBC station. Doug and the weather team. Man, it's treacherous out here. Oh look, I could barely get up the hill because I was going from a stop. All right, that's it for now. Signing off. God help us all.